Welding 360 here with another video. I'm showing you what I've made from MIG welding. Stuff that I made from MIG welding. Right here is a pyramid made out of 16 gauge steel. Yeah, I made that at the Career Center. I made this box and that box also from the Career Center. Those are also made from 16 gauge rolled steel. I MIG welded those when I was at the Career Center last year. That cup I made also by MIG welding, and it's made out of, I don't know, whatever. I just made that during when COVID was around last spring. And this is everything I can use to make future projects. Whatever you guys want me to make, write it down in the comments. That's pretty much it. I didn't film video last week because of the holidays. I probably won't film one next week, but it's a slow process. I'm trying to get better at making YouTube videos. I know I probably sound awful. Sorry about that. I don't have a computer to edit my videos. And I really don't have anybody to help me film my videos. So yeah, I'm kind of struggling. But thanks for watching, and please comment, like, share, and subscribe.